and Baa Baa Sheep, dancing around they couldn't sleep. Flap and jump, hop and twirl, having fun in their happy world. Baby bird flew up so high, flapping wings across the sky. Baa Baa Black Sheep, can you see? I need some wool for my cozy tree. Hey there, if you're enjoying the song, don't forget to subscribe to Giggle Chimes for more fun and laughter. Baby bird and Baa Baa Sheep, dancing around they couldn't sleep. Flap and jump, hop and twirl, having fun in their happy world. Funny bird, wool on trees, that's so absurd. Baby bird chirped, it's cold tonight, I'll knit a sweater that fits just right. Join the fun, subscribe to Giggle Chimes today, and never miss a new song. Baby bird and Baa Baa Sheep, dancing around they couldn't sleep. Flap and jump, hop and twirl, having fun in their happy world. They sang and danced until the sun, rising up, their night was done. Thanks, dear sheep, the bird did shout, friends like you I can't live without. Giggle Chimes is the perfect place for songs, laughter, and learning. Subscribe now.